Don't want some digital contact on a 2D screen. Don't want a heart in a comment section or a private message again. Don't want a photo on my phone or a long distance call. Don't want a typical daydream blush or a nighttime rush if you're not in the picture at all. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. I need a shoulder to lean on. I need to know that you care. I need somebody to hold me close and who won't let go. But you can't if you're not really there. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. Yeah, I can make you feel human. I'll be your only one. More than just an illusion. Be my three-dimensional love. But if you wanna get real, and if you're starving for touch, I need something I can feel. Be my three-dimensional love. Yeah, I can make you feel human. I'll be your only one. More than just an illusion. Be my three-dimensional love.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and